In this video, we'll be talking about three Mukhi Rudraksha. I am Wing Commander Santosh Sharma, third generation astrologer. I am the founder of White Lotus Spirituality, Bangalore, India. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. You see, three Mukhi Rudraksha, many people think that it works for the planetary energy of Mars, which I disagree. Because I have a point to put in front of you. Three Mukhi Rudraksha is basically for the Agni, fire. Which is the fiercest source of fire? Sun. Jataragni, the fire of the belly in the digestive system, becomes weak if the sun is debilitation in your chart. So, I always relate to sun, and I have found extremely good results, especially for the children, those who are not able to digest food, they have metabolic issues. Three Mukhi Rudraksha works wonder. When I say three Mukhi Rudraksha for the sun, sun also stands for name, fame in the society, promotions, being respected in the society. So for that, if you want to wear some Rudraksha for sun, then you are supposed to wear 12 Mukhi Rudraksha. Just keep this in mind, that for the sun, there are 2 Rudraksha, 3 Mukhi and the 12 Mukhi, 3 Mukhi for the digestion system. Many people say that 3 Mukhi Rudraksha also helps for studies. I have not found such results. And many people say it's for the money. That also I found to be untrue. Because we keep experimenting and keep doing research, keeping asking people from the experiences. So we have loads of data we have collected from the people, and we know very well that three Mukhi Rudraksha does not work for Mars, and it is not for studies or creating wealth. It is basically for your digestive system. Yes, if you have BP etc. and you have diabetic issues, then also you can wear three Mukhi Rudraksha. That's what I believe. It is also believed that three Mukhi Rudraksha works on Trinity. Trinity is basically Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, 3 powers, or the Trinity in Bible. But I say that three Mukhi Rudraksha works for the sun. So Pingala Nadi. In the 2 Mukhi Rudraksha we talked about the Ida Nadi for the moon. So if you are lethargic and you want to improve your energy, then you should consider activating your Ida Nadi, then you should wear three Mukhi Rudraksha. Also, if you are very aggressive and you are hyper, energy level is too high, self-esteem become now egoistic now, in that case also, if you wear a three Mukhi Rudraksha, it will go to balance and taper down the Ida Nadi. So combination of 2 Mukhi and 3 Mukhi will activate your Susumna Nadi for the energy to flow up from the Muladhara Chakra to the Crown Chakra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.